Hello everyone. So this is the lecture number 2 of Assam Current Affairs and Assam GK series. And here we are trying to compile the most important questions from Assam's current affair as well as national current affairs and some important Assam GK that will be very important for the upcoming Assam government examinations and apsc examination. So যদি এই চেনেলটোলৈ নতুনকৈ আহিছা তেন্তে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা আৰু যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল পোৱা লাইক আৰু নিজৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকলৰ লগত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা। So coming to the first current affair of this session, this is regarding Mission Bhumiputra. Mission Bhumiputra. So on August 1, 2022, Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, unveiled Mission Bhumiputra. Mission Bhumiputra. So a Mission Bhumiputra to keep the under this mission, digitalized caste certificates will be issued to the students in a simplified and digital way. So Mission Bhumiputraৰ জৰিয়তে Mission Bhumiputraৰ জৰিয়তে কি হ'ব যে digitalize যিখিনি caste certificates আছে অতি সহজভাৱে students সকলক দিয়া যাব। So কেতিয়া launch কৰা হৈছে এটো August 1, 2022 by our Chief Minister. আৰু এটো কোনটো ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টে বেছিভাগ কোৱেশ্চন ইয়াৰ ওপৰতে আহে যে কোনটো ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টে ইমপ্লিমেন্ট কৰিছে। So Mission Bhumiputra is implemented by Departments of Tribal Affairs, Plain and Social Justice Empowerment. I'm repeating again, Department of Tribal Affairs, Plain and Social Justice Empowerment is implementing this Mission Bhumiputra. Okay, so আপোনালোকে দেখিছে যে আমাৰ কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার শীট কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চনৰ লগতে কিছুমান ওয়ান লাইনাৰ ৰখা হৈছে যিখিনি বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট। Okay, next question. Which lab has been inaugurated in Nagaland by Union Minister N.S. Tomar? So কোনটো lab Nagaland Union Minister N.S. Tomar inaugurate কৰিছে? So answer to Union Minister N.S. Tomar inaugurated the Dimapur Honey Testing Lab, in Nagaland. Okay. Which state government wins first prize in National MSME Award 2022? National MSME Award 2022 first prize by Odisha. State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World 2022 report was released by which organization? Pune State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World 2022 report to release korise, that is United Nations. Who released next wave of images from James Webb Space Telescope? Eto eneku ahibo pare James Webb Telescope or logot kuntu kontha jorito ase. So answer is NASA. Who has been crowned as the winner of the Miss Iconic Face of Northeast 2022 pageant? Answer is Meghalaya's Shreya Rasali. Okay, Meghalaya's Shreya Rasali been crowned as the winner of the Miss Iconic Face of Northeast 2022 pageant. Who becomes the first state in India to have its own internet service? Very important. Answer is Kerala. Which two states has signed the Namsai Declaration to settle the 8,000 long interstate border dispute? This is also very important, Namsai Declaration. This is Assam and Arunachal. So Assam and Arunachal signed the Namsai Declaration to settle the 8,000 long interstate border dispute. Which state celebrates Losung or Namsung festival? Losung and Namsung festival is celebrated by Sikkim. Losung and Namsung, the festival celebrated in Sikkim. Next question. In which state was the 18th edition of the Kachai Lemon Festival held on January 13 and 14, 2022? That is Manipur. Who is the first Assamese to climb Mount Everest? So, who is the first Assamese to climb Mount? So, first Assamese to climb Mount Everest is Tarun Saikia. Okay. Atma Anusandhan is an autobiography of whom or written by whom? Homen Borgohain. Atma Anusandhan by Homen Borgohain. Which one is the highest dam in Assam? And that is Puankhiri Dam, 130-meter height. Highest dam in Assam is Puankhiri Dam. What are the what are the autonomous administrative divisions of Assam? And they are Bodoland Autonomous Territorial Council, Dima Hasao Autonomous Council, and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So these are the questions that we have covered in this class, and very soon we'll have the lecture 3 of this current affairs series and Assam GK series. Till then, take care and bye bye.